Hello and welcome back to Sew and Stack. Last video I showed you how to do the back stitch, and now we are moving one step forward and let's see how to do this cactus design only using back stitch. We will need an embroidery hoop, fabric, I use cotton, a needle, pair of scissors and embroidery threads. First, I'm going to draw a simple cactus design and you can find the pattern in the description. I select mustard color thread with 6 strands for this part of the design. Remember, we only use back stitch here. Push your needle from back of the fabric and pull all the way through. Make a forward stitch like this, then leave a space for 1 stitch length and come up through from back of the fabric and pull all the way. Then move your needle back and down through the same hole where you ended the previous stitch. Like this, stitch continuous line for this part of the design. End your stitch using couple of knots and cut the extra thread. Now we are moving to the next part of the design. For that, I have selected green color thread with 6 strands. Thread your needle and make a knot at the end. We are starting the back stitch like before. Make a forward stitch and leave a space for 1 stitch length. Come up and then back and down through the same hole where you ended the previous stitch. Keep going like this. When comes to these curvy parts of the design, make shorter stitch lengths to make it smoother, so it will keep the shape of the design. These kind of simple embroidery designs can be used for a napkin or for a t-shirt or even for a cap. Now I ran out of thread here, so I'm gonna use a new one. If you have more thread left, you can keep going. Now I'm starting the middle lines using backstitch as well. Don't hesitate to start embroidery just because you don't know all the stitches. I'm a beginner and I'm still learning. You can still make these simple yet beautiful designs only using backstitch. If you would like, you can add more lines in the middle so it appears more filling. You can even use different color of your choice. Once you have the idea, there are so many options. Now we end our stitch using couple of knots and cut the extra thread. This is the final look and hope this will give you a little inspiration to start embroidery journey of your own. Thank you for watching and I'll join you in the next video.